groceries away. Gonna make some pasta tonight for dinner. We like to store all of our kind of food in a Tupperware container and get rid of the boxes. David's really simple. He just likes his pasta, just a little bit of olive oil, and then I have some great seasoning salt that I'll show you in just a second. There we go. We'll just throw those away in a second. So I'm gonna get my pan out. That'll be under here. It always helps to start with hot water. So if your water's already hot, it doesn't take quite as long to get your water boiling. That's hot. Look, you can see the steam. That water's so hot it'll burn you, so you gotta be careful. And I always add olive oil to my pasta water and then some salt, and that just helps the pasta not stick together when it's boiling. There we go. Take a few minutes to get that boiling. The one thing I do when I'm cooking pasta or cooking on the stove, if I'm gonna have humidity or steam, is I will open a window to vent out that steam. Then I'll also turn on our fantastic fan right over here, get that turned on to vent any humidity that's gonna be inside the camp. We'll get that going, and I'm gonna add the pasta right now to our water. As you can see, we got boiling water here. I like to cook about a cup and a half for the two of us. Okay, so our pasta is done. And one thing I never do is I never let food or this kind of liquid go down our drain because it's got all sorts of oil in it, and that wouldn't be good for our drain. So I strain it into another container that then we dump outside. So there's our pasta. And then there's all of our liquid. So half of it's going to go in here, this bowl, and then the other half will go in the other bowl because David likes olive oil and I like butter. A little bit of olive oil. This Jacobson's black garlic salt is so delicious. A little bit of black pepper. My husband prefers his cheese on the side, so I'm going to get that out for him. And there's dinner for David. Fancy blue napkins. There we go. Very color coordinated. And I like my cheese just to go directly on the pasta. There we go. And that's our dinner. I also get one of the fancy blue towels for my napkin. Perfect. Dinner's ready. For dessert, I love this vanilla yogurt with these mini chocolate chips on top and then peanuts mixed in.